What's up, online shoppers? It's stadium season, and there is no better way to be comfortable than with a heated stadium seat. Now this one here is super cool. It actually transports as a backpack. You can just throw it on your shoulders and go. And it has a heating element. So let's get this out of the box and see what it looks like. Here is the instruction manual for the heated stadium seat. Now let's look at all the features first. We'll start with the back. This is how you transport it. It has shoulder straps so that you can put this on your back like a backpack and move it around really easy. You don't have to carry it. You can have hands free. As well, if you take a look here, you can see there's a few things. There is this really nice buckle so that you can actually secure this around the bleacher to your seat. You can loosen this to get it to fit. You can clip it and then you can tighten it. So that will help this to stay secure in place and it won't wiggle around. This cover can also be removed for washing so that you don't have to worry about interfering with the heating elements that are in the seat, which is another awesome thing. Now for added stability, they've even put inside here, you do the zipper, these metal hooks that just fold out of the seat like this and like this. These will go under the bleacher, clip to the bench, and make it even more secure in place. That's a pretty cool safety feature. Here is the front of the unit. Now I should say this is heated, but you have to provide your own power source. There are some of the HOPERAN stadium seats that have a battery pack included. This one isn't one of them. So here is the seat right here, and you can see from the cutouts, these would be your arms right here. To open it, all you have to do is push down on each of the arms like this, right at the joint. And that allows it to have a little bit of a bend, and then you can actually sit the chair up. Now it has 3 different settings. It has the back one, a medium one, and then upright. So depending on how you like to sit, you can be a little bit more reclined or a little bit more upright. You've got these really great padded armrests, which is really nice. Now I know my grandma has a hard time getting up from a seated position, so having these armrests that are super secure gives her something she can actually brace herself on to push up to get out of the chair, and that is one of the reasons why we got her one of these awesome heated stadium seats. Now they do a really clever thing with the arms. They actually include storage in the arms. So if you undo the zipper that's on the side here, there is a little pocket that folds out, and you can put your beverage in here, specifically designed for a pop can. So you can do that, and then when you don't need it, you can tuck it right back in and do the zipper up. Now on this side, there's a couple other cool features. Right here is another one of those zippered sections, and you can undo it, and this is what you would hook up to your power bank to power the heated element that's in the seats. I think it's really cool how they have these little compartments for storage. You don't have to worry about any moving pieces. Let's put it on my chair and see what it looks like. Now mind you, we would definitely be putting this on a bleacher, but when you sit on it, you can see how nice and comfy it is. I love where the elbow hits on the armrest. And if I need to push off of something to get up, I definitely can just push off the arms and use them to help lower myself back down again. This is really cool. This one here is the average size one. They also have a HOPERAN stadium chair that is double wide, and they also have one that's a 2-seater, so you can pick one that you like, that you're most comfortable with. This is really cozy, to be very honest. And I also like that if you want a bigger seating capacity, you can order the next size up, and that's also really cool too. I am super curious to see what this is going to be like when I plug it in, so I will come back and provide another review after I've tried it, but I am really happy with all the selling features of this fantastic chair. It definitely delivers on ease of use, on the fact that I can throw it on my back like a backpack and carry it around and have hands free. I love that I can use the heating element, which by the way would be operated right here. There's a little control panel here, and when you power it up, this will light up and give you the option to turn it on or off, and it has 3 different heat settings, so you can go with a heat setting that is your comfort level. And I love that it's really easy to take down. So let's show you how to take it down. All you have to do to take it down is push it as far forward as it'll go. You hear it make a little click, and then it will lay flat and snap into place. Then you are ready to put it back on your backpack and carry it off. This heated stadium seat by HOPERAN is really awesome. It's super easy to use, and it's definitely going to be a family favorite at my house, especially during those chilly stadium season times.